What are you making, Jenna?
I'm making some some kind of dots.
Some kind of dots?
Yeah.
Many colors.
Which one do you like?
Red.
Red? Okay. Would you like it?
Make some red dots for Grandma. Wow. Are those cookies?
Yeah, they're cookies. Which one do you like now?
Green cookies.
Green cookies? Okay. Let's green. What one do you like now?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay.
Make 5 yellow cookies.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, are you sure?
6. There's 6.
6? Okay. Are those lemon? The lemon cookies?
Yeah, cinnamon cookies. What would you like now?
How about blue?
Blue?
Blue cookies.
Okay.
Jenna, can you make ice cream?
Okay.
Blueberry ice cream.
And there's the cone.
Okay.
There.
There.
It's ice cream.
What else can you make?
I can make some more ice cream.
Okay.
Bread. Okay. Which one would you like?
To eat?
Tweet?
To eat? What kind of ice cream do I like to eat?
This one?
Okay.
Okay.
Lemon.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Right there. This one now. Lime.
Lime. Wow.
I make a
Lime
lot.
ice cream. Whoa. There.
Ow, that hurt.
It hurt.
Yay.
I'll put the other lids back on.
I got a paint on my finger.
I'll put the other lids back on.
Oh.
There. No. No. That's better. No. No.
There.
All done.